Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about what is real estate and real estate investing tips. Real estate can include property, land, buildings, air rights above the land, and underground rights below the land. The term refers to real or physical property. As a business term, real estate also refers to producing, buying, and selling property. It affects the U.S. economy because it's a critical driver of economic growth. Real estate, sometimes referred to as real property, is technically land plus any other tangible improvement that might rest upon it or be installed in it. The improvement might be a building that's been erected there or a roadway. It can be something that's been inserted into the ground, such as a septic system. Land with any of these structures is said to be improved. It's unimproved when it lacks them. Your home is real estate, but so is vacant land you might own. Real estate can be a skyscraper in New York City, or a patch of unimproved desert land that can't be built upon. How real estate works. Real estate involves numerous facets because it doesn't simply exist. It can segue from unimproved to improved. It can be purchased or sold. It might be owned by a government, a corporate entity, or by a private party. But certain components can have a direct impact on the economy: consistent improvement of land, and the individual and entities that facilitate those transfers of ownership. Construction of new buildings. New home building is a critical category. It includes the construction of single-family homes, townhouses, and condominiums. The National Association of Home Builders provides monthly data on home sales and average prices. The data on new home sales is a leading economic indicator. It takes 4 months to establish a trend for new houses sold. Real estate agents. Real estate agents assist individuals, businesses, and investors in buying and selling properties. The industry is typically divided up into specialties. Sellers or listing agents help find buyers through the multiple listing service or their professional contacts. They price your property using listings of recently sold homes known as comparables or comps because they are similar to yours. They can help you spruce up your property so it looks its best to potential buyers. They assist in negotiations with the buyer or the buyer's agent to get the highest price possible. Buyer's agents provide similar services for the home purchaser. They know the local market so they can find a property that meets your most important criteria. They also compare prices, a process that's referred to as doing comps. This helps them guide you to areas that are affordable. Buyer's agents negotiate for you, pointing out reasons why the seller should accept a lower price. They can help with the legalities of the process, including title search, inspection, and financing. Types of real estate. Residential real estate. Residential real estate includes both new construction and resale homes. The most common category is single-family homes, but there are also condominiums, co-ops, townhouses, duplexes, triple-deckers, quadplexes, high-value homes, multi-generational homes, and vacation homes. Commercial real estate. Commercial real estate includes shopping centers and strip malls, medical buildings, educational buildings, hotels, and offices. Apartment buildings are often considered commercial even though they are used for residences because they are owned to produce income. Industrial real estate. Industrial real estate includes manufacturing buildings and property as well as warehouses. The buildings can be used for research, production, storage, and distribution of goods. Some buildings that distribute goods are considered to be commercial real estate. The classification is important because zoning, construction, and sales can be handled differently for this type of property. Pieces of land. Land includes vacant lots, working farms, and ranches. The subcategories within vacant land include undeveloped, early development, or reuse, subdivision, and site assembly. Investing in real estate. Anyone who buys or sells a home engages in real estate investing, and this means considering several factors. Will the house rise in value while you live in it? How will future interest rates and taxes affect you if you get a mortgage? Some people do so well investing in their own homes that they want to buy and sell homes as a business. You might flip a house, buying it to improve it, and then sell it. Many people own several homes and rent them out. Others use Airbnb or a similar service as a convenient way to rent out all or part of their homes. 10 Smart Real Estate Investing Tips from Successful Investors. Real estate investing does not come with a map, and the road to riches is often winding. That being said, there are things you can do to put yourself on the right path and ensure your best chances for success. Listening to real estate professionals and successful investors is a great place to start. To get you in the mindset of the pros, we gathered 10 essential real estate investing tips from people who can speak from experience. Whether you are new to real estate investing or going on your third income property, this article is filled with great nuggets of advice and interesting perspectives. Number 1. Find rental properties in emerging neighborhoods. Rental properties represent a great way to get involved with real estate investments. Emerging neighborhoods offer growth potential and tax incentives for buyers. Buyers that purchase properties in emerging neighborhoods maximize profits and ensure that their income covers their costs. Number 1. Diversify your investments. It's commonly preached that the best real estate investment is the one in your backyard. While there is merit to understanding the area in which you're investing, I believe that you are truly limiting your profitability potential by only considering a small geographic area. By considering investments in other states and cities, you have a large pool of available investments and ultimately better opportunities. Investing across a large geographical area also further diversifies your investments and protects your portfolio against the volatility of local markets. Number 3. Don't over-rehab. Corey Chappell, a closing options analyst at 181 Close Now, offers some great property investment tips which we have included in the next several points. He starts by explaining that investment properties don't need to be on par with Pottery Barn when it comes to accents and fixtures. Some high-end houses have to have the nicest countertops and fixtures. Lower-end houses need to look nice and modern, but don't need the most expensive everything. It's okay to budget. It's okay to go with the middle-of-the-road fixtures. Number 4. Don't over-leverage yourself. You can be very successful for a long time and still go broke if every rental is mortgages to the hilt. If you keep some of your rentals free and clear, and some of them financed, then you will have a good mix of safety and still stretching your resources. Number 5. Look into single-family rentals. Single-family homes are your safest bet for attracting the correct tenant. Everyone would love to live in a house. Some people just cannot afford to, or do not want to own. The single-family home historically has, over the last 100+ years, always appreciated. Number 6. Do your homework before listening to paid advisors. In many cases, your trusted and paid advisors, broker, wealth manager, tax accountant, etc., may suggest you avoid real estate in your portfolio altogether. They generally give the same tired reasons that it's illiquid or too management intensive. Those can be valid your specific situation, but that's not the real reason they want you to avoid real estate. Stockbrokers do not get paid for you to invest in real estate. There's nothing in it for them, no commissions, and nothing to do. That is unless they want you to purchase a high-cost non-traded REIT, but now you'll know their true motivation. You need to do your own homework to decide if the potential cash flow from real estate is right for you. Number 7. Maintenance issues in the bud before they get bigger. One thing that's helped me quite a bit is writing a biannual walkthrough into the lease agreements. This is mainly to ask the renter if there's anything they're noticing that needs to get fixed. We also inspect under all the sinks and around the toilets, etc., for water damage. Finding small water leaks before they become big problems has saved me a lot of money. Number 8. Join a local networking group. There are literally thousands of real estate investing groups all across the country. Join one or two, participate in a few. Find the ones that have the people and topics that you are interested in. Try to find groups that don't pitch products, but really educate and mentor you in the areas that pique your interest. Number 9. Leverage the experts. Investing in real estate has a lot of moving pieces. When you're first starting off, it is critical that you leverage experts in each area of the project to ensure success and minimize mistakes. Services like Roofstock are a great option for investors, since they're a team of experts who have already conducted the due diligence on your behalf. I find that by keeping things simple, less mistakes are made and you become more profitable in the long run. There's no point in reinventing the wheel when there is already a proven process available to you. Number 10. Get to know your market. When investing in real estate, it is important to learn about and become an expert in your selected market. Being well informed on the current trends, including any decreases or increases in the average rent income, interest rates, and even unemployment crime rates, will allow you to recognize the current market status and plan for the future. Being able to constantly forecast and stay a step ahead of the market can help lead you to become a more effective real estate investor. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.